Hey my gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I transition the old wash and go to a cute, fresh looking style. So I love wearing a wash and go, but sometimes you want to do something a little different with your style. So I'm going to show you guys how I transition my hair from this look to this look. So stay tuned to see the entire process. So first I'm going to start off by putting on my Wraperoo. You guys know I love this little cape because one, I'm about to spray my hair and I do not want to get my shoulders all wet because I just don't like how it feels. First step, I'm going to spray my hair. So I want it to be a little bit more easy to work with. So I am going to do a part right here to begin to separate the part that I want out versus the section that I want to be twisted up. Then I'm going to separate this. Hair still looking and smelling good. And I'm going to link below to my wash and go process so you guys can see how I achieve my wash and goes and step by step of that. So I just want to separate this. The part itself doesn't need to be super straight because you're not actually going to be able to see the hair once you do the twisting. But I do like the parts to be pretty straight as they can be. Kind of hard to part the back of your head, so if y'all see me and my part not straight and you judge me, I'm judging you. I am going to wet this section so it can be much easier to deal with. And I am going to be using some Wetline Xtreme Gel. This is the same gel that I used for my wash and go, so I'm going to stick with that so that way there won't be any issues with any flaking by mixing products. I actually love this Wetline gel too because it does a great job of defining your curls without leaving them super dry feeling. As you can see, I use this gel on the wash and go and it's not dry still. And it's pretty affordable. You can find it at Walmart. I think I got this big old jug here for like $4. That's in my budget. So I'm gonna put this around the perimeter too because I want this to be sleek. So you want to get this wet because you're gonna use your dentin brush to run through it. And you don't want to do it while it's dry. And the reason why you're doing this is because as you're doing twists, you don't want any type of tangles, because this flat twist will not be flat and sleek. I tend to like to use flat twists because I cannot French braid my own hair without being on a struggle bus, and this is just easier for me. So for y'all who can braid your own hair, shout out to you sis, you're the real MVP. If you like me, follow this tutorial for this flat twist. So you're going to start off by grabbing your two sections of hair to kick it off. You start a little closer because you want it to be sleek. And you literally just doing a flat twist. Taking a piece of hair, grabbing it to the next section, and just adding more hair as you go. See, that part got a little tang. I'm going to leave a little bit out because I like that little curl effect. And you see when it's wet, it's easier to create that flat twist. We're just going to bring it all the way down. When you get to the end, you can put a rubber band on it because I don't want it to be twisted all the way to the end. And the reason for that is because I'm going to tuck it under so it can kind of blend in with the rest of the curls. So unclipping this hair, getting a bobby pin, taking that little piece that's left at the end and So see, it can blend in there. Take a little of this gel to create that curly little piece. I'm just gonna do a little soft creation of my edges here. I want this to be like a little curly, like flirty pinup look. Then I'm gonna just take these clips out, as you can see, and refresh these curls a little bit. Water will bring your hair back. I'm just adding a little bit of that gel to the perimeter to kind of reactivate those curls, just a little bit. When I say a little bit, literally a little bit. Because I just want those pieces that were clipped to not look frizzy. And because I wet that entire section, the back piece that is pinned out, that part is looking wet, so you want it all to look uniform. And I'm just using water to reactivate those curls to get that wet look again, so they can all dry together and look how they want to look together. And this is the final look. So it doesn't take a lot of effort to create it, but it spices up your traditional wash and go. Take my Wraperoo off so you can see the whole look. So this is a cute little flirty style that you can wear in the summer. Heck, you can wear it in the winter too, wherever you want to, boo. So I think I'm gonna spice it up by adding some accessories. So just opening these up and placing them right on here. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial how I transition my old wash and go to a fresh, cute, new style. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification button so you can be notified when new posts become available. Until next time, bye my gems.